At learnwelsh.cymru there's a course for you, whether you're a beginner or a fluent Welsh speaker who'd like to make more use of your Welsh. There are courses for different learning levels, along with a range of digital resources. Our emphasis is very much on speaking and enjoying the language. In this video we'll show you what you can learn at foundation level, Fideo Sylfaen. This level is for those who have finished entry mynediad level or who have completed a level assessment with a tutor. First of all, you'll get a chance to refresh your memory. You'll build on your language patterns and learn to say "I would" to express your wishes or intentions. You'll be able to say where you were born and brought up and express an opinion about something. You'll go on to learn how to use prepositions, those useful little words which often help us find things, such as on, by, or to. You'll build on the future tense, how to request and give permission, and discuss periods of time. Midway through the course, you'll revise how to describe and learn how to compare different people and things. In the last few units, you'll build on your language patterns and learn ordinal numbers, first, second, third, and so on. The most important aspect of the course is developing your speaking skills, and in each unit, there'll be an opportunity to discuss an everyday subject. You'll come across lots of new vocabulary, which helps to strengthen and enrich your Welsh. There are plenty of fun ways to do this online. All the while, your tutor will keep an eye on your progress and give you a helping hand if needed. You can also find digital resources and online support at learnwelsh.cymru. You can find a course at learnwelsh.cymru or contact office@learnwelsh.cymru for more information.